Hello everyone, welcome to doing a coding project with me. Now this first coding project I'm doing is a single web page. And the reason is that one of my friends, he asked me to create a simple web page for him. One page, just straightforward information that he'll give me once I've showed him what I've come up with and we'll make tweaks on it. So in this coding project, the IDE or the integrated development environment that I'll be using called Replit. It's spelled REPL.IT. Now, the reason I'm using this, it's a simple online IDE where, since it's a single web page and not multiple web pages or anything like that, I don't have to, or I prefer to keep it simple, and that's why I'm using Replit. I also do use IntelliJ and VS Code, which are well-known IDEs, but for this project round, I will be using Replit. Now, when you land on Replit, it will ask you, or it will prompt you with AI to type in whatever you want to build. Let that be a dashboard, data analytics dashboard, a web page, website, whatever. But if you would like to do it manually yourself, and you want to choose the language you want to do it, the way it works is on the left-hand side of Replit, once you're on the main landing page, there'll be an explore more option or like a drop-down kind of option on the left side taskbar. And once you do that, and then what you can do is, once you click that, you'll see three options. The first option being the developer framework. Once you click the developer framework, more so on the top right-hand side of the page, you'll see a create option. When you hit the create option, then you'll be able to go in and choose whatever language you want to do it in. A blank files, add all the files that are only necessary for the project you're working on, as well as a name name. And so for that, I've used Replit in the past too for simpler things, so that's why for this project around, I will be using Replit. Another thing I like to do whether I start a project and working on them is document everything. Now, the reason I document is I like to keep track of what I've done each day, or whenever I get to it, what I've done for that time that I've worked on it, as well as what I plan to do the day after or the next time I will work on it. Also, I will be kind of vlogging to this evening as well, so this is only one part of it, but now let's get to it. So what I like to use when I keep track of what I code, or the coding projects I do, is something called Google LM Notebook. Now, I found out this couple months ago, which is very cool. I was just looking online for online notebooks or note-taking apps. Obviously, you have Notion, which everybody knows about. And if you have any Apple products, you have the default Notes app in any Apple products. But I found Google LM, which is very cool because the reason that I like to use it is you can add notes, sources. So let's just say you're starting this up, DSA for example. Then what will happen is you can notes like any links that you found that you like, and once you do that, once you start uploading resources and things into this tool, it gives you a couple options. It can come up with the report. It can kind of do flashcard style. It can also read out your notes audio style, and it's a very cool research tool. And the way I use this is just to keep track of my coding project. So this being the first one, let's get in. Basically, what I like to do is what I am going to work on today, which is going to be coming up with or coding the web page up with all the designs and text placement. Now, when I'm done with what I want to get done in this time I'm working on it, I also like to do what I will work on it, what I'm going to do the next time I work on it, which is, let's say tomorrow, I'll write what am I going to do tomorrow and kind of plan ahead. So that way I'm not all over the place and I have a starting point. Also, when it comes to design of web pages, apps, whatever it may be, I like to use this website called Figma. Now what it does is Figma is a UI design where you can go in, design how you want your web page or app to look, and that way you have a starting point. So that's what I did. I have Figma, and I discussed it with him how he wanted the webpage to look. So we came up with one, and that's what I'm basing this off of. So hello guys, so we're here at the event which is called Light the Night. So what it is a event that is raising awareness about blood cancer, as well as the online donations as well. So I'm here because one of my friends, he started a club at my university and it's about blood cancer. So I'm here helping him out, and he signed up for this event, so I'm here to join this event with him. So let's get going.
And the #1 community and school teams with a very impressive $96,656 is Team Kirat. And now thank you to the top corporate teams. The #3 corporate team with $8,962 is PepsiCo. And #2 with $21,468.10 is Kroger. And the #1 corporate team with an amazing $27,135 is Team Raj. And now let's celebrate our top 3 individual fundraisers across both community, school, and corporate teams. #3 with $23,485 is Daniel Pesena. #2, $27,135 is John Daniels. And #1 fundraiser for Light the Night in Collin County is a legend with an amazing $61,400 is Gershaman Baweja. Congratulations to all our top fundraisers. Now, I mentioned blood cancer's bold goal is to enable people with blood cancer to gain more than 1 million years of life by 2040.
Hi everyone, my name is Mackenzie, I'm 13 years old. I'm a 2-time survivor of stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma. My journey started right after a super fun family trip to California and the 4th of July in 2023. When we got back home to Texas, my eagle-eyed dad noticed some lymph nodes that looked very swollen. We were able to get in to see my regular doctor right away. And during the appointment, the doctor agreed something did not look right. They sent me for an ultrasound later that same day. The ultrasound looked suspicious, and things started to move really fast. We were sent to Children's Hospital for a CT scan on July 5th. On the way home after the scan, we got a call that changed everything. The doctor said the results show a large mass in my chest right next to my heart and lungs. We rushed back to the hospital, and over the next week, more tests confirmed it. They told me I had stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma, and I was admitted to the ICU for the next couple weeks and started chemo right away.
Hi, I'm Lindsay. I'm Mackenzie's mom, and I'm here with her dad, Jordan, and brother Luke. We want to thank you all so much for being here tonight. Your presence, your generosity, and your support mean the world to families like mine, and especially to one very brave little girl who's here tonight. When Mackenzie was diagnosed with stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma, she was just 10 years old. In an instant, we were thrown into a world of port placements, chemo infusions, and moments that took our breath away, not just from fear, but from awe. Because even in the hardest moments, Mackenzie showed us what strength really looks like. She's now 13, and in 2 or 3 short years, she's taught me more about resilience, courage, and grace than I've learned in my entire life.
Survivors, and now invite all survivors and those currently living with cancer to walk towards the center circle in the center of our community. And while they make their way to the circle, we want to tell you about a few of them. Alicia Pasena lights the night for being cancer-free and celebrating life with her family. Ricky Guira lights the night because no 4th grader should ever hear the words, "You have cancer." Audrey Kaleba lights the night as a blood cancer survivor, participating in Light the Night for the past 8 years. Amanda Wilkerson lights the night as a survivor, sharing her story to inspire and encourage others in their fight. Elizabeth Green lights the night as a survivor, inspiring others in their fight with her words, "Keep your head up and stay positive." Mabel Manthe lights the night as she bravely battles B-cell ALL, facing every challenge with strength, courage, and a smile as bright as her love for Taylor Swift. The people now in the center of our community are living proof that our determination can change and save lives. They are why we light the night. We are united with survivors, and we celebrate them today and every day. Survivors, are you ready? Lift your lanterns high. That has a lantern that's lit, please go ahead and raise it high. Look around you right now. See how our light unites us. United in remembrance. United with survivors, united for support, united for more life. We are Blood Cancer United, all of us, and we will lead the way to a world without blood cancers. So Collin County, are you ready to light the night? Then count it down with me right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have a great one.
was good, you know, a little chilly, but at the end, the event turned out great. It was very good hearing all the good stories and all the motivational things that all these people have gone through. So, with that, catch you guys next time. Take care.